We're at Walt's barn. So today we spent another morning at Walt's barn volunteering. And again, I was lucky to be asked, and I actually asked to work the train crossings. So I did miss out on a lot of the authors and the ex-Disney painters who were there to sign all of the books for all the guests. And I didn't get to see the Columbine. And I didn't get to really examine anything inside the barn. And I didn't get to see the 2 trains that Walt owned. And I didn't get to see the steam-powered machines that are run by the live steamers. And I didn't actually get to look at the gift shop. But one of the big pluses for volunteering at Walt's barn is seeing the trains. And take a look at this. Santa was here to visit. Yes, Santa Claus came to Walt's barn today. 1 week and a couple of days before Christmas, but he was here to greet all the boys and girls and moms and dads and men and women who came to Walt's barn. Merry Christmas, Santa!
There we are! All right! Merry Christmas! Welcome to Walt Disney's barn! Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas to you! Merry Christmas to you! Merry Christmas! Ho, 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 ho! My goodness. I'm allowed to thank you very much. Santa's newest helper. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, everybody! You can come and see inside the barn.
You want to go see Santa inside the barn? Okay, we will. We just have to wait till we can cross and then you can ride.
This was a special day with Santa, and if you're interested in coming down to the barn is open every 3rd Sunday of the month between 11 o'clock and 3 o'clock. We're looking forward to seeing you, and if you do stop by, come and say hi.
Blow me down and pick me up. She was the captain's wife. Come the wheel of the bell and tell you that's the way of a tailor do. About flatfish fish and the girls have rubbed on things like this.
I don't know about you guys, but I sure can sit here or stand all day long and just listen to that clickety-clack of the train going by. And of course, these trains are not full size. They are a smaller size, obviously. But to listen to them go, they just sound so much like the real ones. And one thing that you notice is when you are standing there and watching people go by on the trains, you'll notice that there is something that comes over them and they just start smiling and waving. Well, I guess that's it for us. Have an awesome next couple of days. And until later, stay even on the track. Goodbye, Walt's Barn. Until until